This channel has been all about 3D printing the legends from my childhood, and nothing brings that nostalgia like the Transformers.
The Transformers, more than meets the eye.
I've printed my ultimate Decepticon trio, Starscream, Soundwave, and Megatron, and the detail on these has blown me away. So here's the deal. Comment your pick down below, and whichever character gets the most love will be the one I build next. And of course, we're going straight to the best STL source for Transformers, Toymaker 3D. Their lineup is massive, and I've already spotted a few I'd love to tackle, but it's up to you. Let's see who makes the cut.
It's been an honor serving with you all. Autobots, roll out! We roll!
Lieutenant in the Autobot Resistance. My safe return when he gets...
Wrong answer.
Is there anyone that can help you? Oh, me.
Bumblebee, stay safe, soldier.
Clear a path. Damn, I'm good.
Devastated.
Prepare for extermination.
Jack!
The Transformers will return after these messages.
Bring your creativity to life. Submit your own design of PCBWay's mascot Eon. Win cash and prizes, and see your creation become part of PCBWay. They're also letting you upgrade your boards with a free purple solder mask. And if you like a challenge, PCBWay's design contest is open now through January 2026. Hit the links below and check out PCBWay today.
We now return to the Transformers.
What's cracking, little bitches? My first lieutenant. Designation Jazz. This looks like a cool place to kick it.
Destroy the launch pad. Let none escape.
You cannot get out! I can now!
Rumble, Laserbeak, Ravage, prepare for battle. Operation Warfare. Eject, eject, eject.